Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now we are going to see Make My Trip internship certificate, how to apply, what are the eligible criteria, everything I am going to explain now. So watch the video till end and just subscribe to my channel, then only you may get a more update from my channel, and click on your bell icon, then only you will get a update notification and it will be helpful for you to get a job and apply internship everything. So let's go to the video. Make My Trip started their internship for women candidate and men candidate pan India internship providing there. This all the inspiring women, this all the official website. What are the timing, flexible timing. You can take a break at any moment, feel like a rush and to worried about it. Payment will be let forget to get a payment to a dream comes through. A place to call you, you can just want to call your comfortability and so many things they are providing, disturbance and to-do list and zero community, save money and time with loved one, flexible timing, awesome payment and everything they are providing to Make My Trip. It is one of the best opportunity all over India. So you just want to visit the site before applying to them. This is the career bootcamp, 0 to 6 month early engagement, classroom training and system and tool they are providing, and assimilation from 3 to 6 months they are providing, encouraging learning and customized product designation experience, and growth phase 6 to 12 months they provide additional opportunity like content, performance and customized product, and nice in after 1 to 2 years they are unlocking potential, and 2.5 years experience, mentor and lead some MNCs, and this is the Make My Trip promise, and regular training and skill development, growth based and continuation. This is all their main thing. And leader speak. What is the leader? Senior Vice President of Business Associate Mr. Jamit Singh. And frequently we ask the question, how can we make a money to Make My Trip? This is a work from home internship and job opportunity. We just want to click here and start apply as much quickly in this community. It will be helpful for you. So you just want to apply here and it will be open like a Google form, holiday expert recommend Make My Trip. So you just want to type your name, Singh. I'm just giving randomly. Your age should be there 22 and your contact number and your email address. I'm giving randomly. Give your personal mail ID, then only it will be valid. So don't give random mail ID. Random mail ID and all. Mail ID is current city you are from, and which is the highest qualification. If you are graduate, postgraduate, you just want to give. If null means other, you can give male or female, everything. Your prior work experience less than 2 years you can give. Do you have any work experience traveling, hospitality? If you are having any hospitality work and travel work, you can give yes or no, no problem. Have you worked with Make My Trip before? Yes or no, you can give. Do you have laptop, desktop available to work? You can give yes. Have you been preferred by someone to MMT? Please provide the name and email address. If someone saying like those who are working in Make My Trip, if you are sending any links to them, you just want to type your name here. So you just want to give any if you are not know anybody, and you just want to submit it. This is the hiring process. It is going to be end as much can. So apply as much quickly. So they are going to provide everything to you. So don't worry guys. Just apply as much quickly what I am provided. I will provide the both link in the description. So start apply now itself. So if you have any doubt while filling this form, comment me in the comment section. I will clear your doubt. Thanks for watching this channel.